Hello friends, Sanjeev here. So today I will be talking about how to convert your speech into a text using Python. Now, why to type when a script can do for you? Like you can read a blog, you can type a message, just speak that message and it will type for you. So without any delay, we'll see what are all the minimal requirements that we have to achieve, and then we will directly jump into the code and I will try to explain line by line. So what are all the minimal things that we are going to do? So first of all, there is a module called speech recognition module, which we need to install using pip. And if there is any dependencies or you are getting any error, so you have to fix all these things and make sure your module is properly installed and working. Set appropriate microphone to listen you, and then the step is you have to, whatever you have spoken so far, you have to save it as an audio, and then we will convert that audio to text and we'll save it in a file. So here is the code. Now here also I have written few comments to make it more readable. Now I ran this script in Mac OS, and I am using Python 3.8 version. So you can check like if it is pip or pip3 associated with your Python 3, because possibly you might have two versions of Python, Python 2.x and Python 3.x. If it is not there, if you have only a single Python version, then you can do pip as well. So now to understand few things, because I faced some challenges, so I am writing here. Like once you are going to install pip install speech recognition Mac machine, I had to install port audio as well, because this Spy audio has a dependency on port audio. So install port audio first in your machine. Now in Mac, when I was getting the error like port audio.h file not found, I just ran this brew install port audio, and then after that I ran pip install Pi audio. So this is the minimal things that you have to do. I'm importing speech recognition, giving it as an alias like SR, a short form, and then I am just initializing an instance of recognizer, and I am initiating my microphone, which of the microphone I want this to listen. So this is the device underscore index equal to 01, means your internal microphone. Now you start speaking. So how it will capture all these things, right? So what I'm doing here is with mic, as I have already defined here on the microphone, and then this as a source, it will listen and it will save your speech in audio. I have written with loop so that I can speak as much time as I can. And if I am slowing down, or if I am just stopped, I'm not saying anything, then it will come out of the loop. And what I'm doing is I'm just saving this raw audio using this recognize underscore Google method. Well, for all of these things, you must need internet. This script will work only if you have internet. So I am writing a try and accept block here, so that if there is any issue with this, I will catch it. So the first one can be like it is unresponsive and you are getting an error. So maybe your API is unreachable, possibly internet connection is gone by the time, or you are not speaking at all. So I'm just capturing this thing so that it should not break uh, or show a fatal error. Rather it can handle this and we will know like what happened actually. So once your result is saved, so this result is a text. Basically this recognize underscore Google, and this audio as you passed as a parameter, so the output was a text. Now I want to save that text in a file, so this two line is doing that. Now we'll see the demo. This script will listen you, and whatever you are speaking, it will change it will transfer it into a text. So whatever you want to say, suppose you are reading a book and you want to make a note of it, you don't need to write, you just speak and it will write for you. So we'll see whatever we have talked now, is it listening and will it transfer it all? So go to my speech.txt. See, so whatever I was talking, it actually was listening and transferred it into a text, right? So now let's try that in Hindi or Sanskrit. Let's say we will speak some slok and will it catch it or not? यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानं धर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. We'll again go back to that file and we'll see, I mean, how beautifully it has changed all these Sanskrit sloka in English. So now we'll test our Hindi. अब मैं कुछ हिंदी में वार्तालाप करूंगा और यह देखना चाहूंगा कि क्या ये सही तरीके से आपका ये पाइथन स्क्रिप्ट जो भी मैं हिंदी में बोलना चाह रहा हूं उसको अच्छे से ट्रांसलेट कर पा रहा है. अगर कर पा रहा है तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात होगी उनके लिए जो कुछ बोलना चाहते हो हिंदी में और कॉपी पेस्ट करके कहीं पे भी लिखना चाहते हो, या एक नोट्स बना रहे हो, हिंदी में ब्लॉग लिख रहे हो, या हिंदी में किसी को कुछ लिखना चाह रहे हो, तो वो इसको अच्छे से लिख पाएंगे. चलिए देखते हैं. अब मैं कुछ हिंदी में वार्तालाप करूंगा और ये देखना चाहूंगा कि क्या यह सही तरीके से आपका यह पाइथन स्क्रिप्ट जो भी मैं हिंदी में बोलना चाह रहा हूं, देखिए कितना अच्छे से ट्रांसफर कर रहा है. और कॉपी पेस्ट करते हैं, कहीं पे भी कुछ लिखना हो, इवन अभी जस्ट एक वर्ड बोलेंगे और देखेंगे कि उसको पढ़ पाता है या नहीं अच्छे से. हिंदी का एक शब्द है किंग कर्तव्य विमूढ़, क्या आप उसको सही से पढ़ पाएंगे? देखिए किंग कर्तव्य विमूढ़ को कितने अच्छे से इन्होंने पढ़ा है. मतलब आप कुछ भी लिख दो ये उसको ट्रांसलेट कर ही देगा. मेरी बीवी मैं के चली गई. अभी देखते हैं जब आप गाने के मूड में हो और कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हो, क्या उसको यह कैप्चर कर पा रहा है. मेरी बीवी मैं के चली गई. धन्यवाद देखने के लिए. So you can again follow FlexMind in different social channels. You can follow me as well in different social channels. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Please let me know if this video was helpful for you and you learned something. I would encourage to comment your feedback so that it will encourage me to create more videos like this.